We're
Oh,
on there.
now it just started recording by itself.
On the same video?
Nope.
Well, the phone just shut off for some reason. But
Yeah, for some reason it stopped recording on its own and then started recording again.
So now I'm going to tighten this clamp up.
So we'll just say this is part 2. Can't even depend on technology these days.
Hopefully I got that partially in the right spot. It's got to be better than it was. If you look at the first video, this was pretty loud and the pipe was almost broken in half. So I put a beer can, that tiger strip, and tightening it down. And now you can start it up, I guess.
Alright guys, moment of truth.
Now it says on the package to let the motor run for 10 minutes at an idle. And I'm sure this didn't fix it completely.
Ready?
But yeah, go ahead. Yeah, she's running, I guess. I should drop her down.
Yeah, drop her. Because it's not good.
But I am going to want to